Turn on the radio.
Turn on the radio.
Now, Marty, don't be a bitch, okay?
No. The first, what the fuck do I do? The fucker's
Battle.
vibrating. Is that on hold?
Yeah. Send me this video. You ready?
Yeah. I would, there is a mat.
That's gonna blow some snow up.
No, there's a mat right here.
I don't think the mat would help with the
is.
snow.
It's gonna be flipping over, yeah.
The mat ain't gonna help.
Yeah, but that, he's got,
707
Plugging it in.
millimeter blades. That mat's not that wide.
I'm in trying to hold it. I can only do what I can do.
We'll keep it away from the electronics a little bit.
Oh, shit.
look at homeless fuck.
Hey! There's a good test of what it's gonna do.
Turn it off.
It's all over it. What the fuck you doing? Where are you going?
Dude, come back though. Seriously, didn't get your
Marty!
turbos.
You want to fly the thing or not?
It's got snow all in it.
So what? It ain't gonna hurt it.
Blow it
It's
out.
on the batteries.
Blow it out. Blow it out.
So much for that.
Take it home.